Hi, Algebra I. Let's do another one. I have another question here, which is this one here. Okay. The system y equals 2x minus 10 and 2y equals x minus 8. So in this system, remember what is the first step? The first step is to label the lines. This is line 1. Okay. This is line 1. And this one down here is line 2. So my first line is y equals 2x minus 10, and the second line is 2y equals x minus 8. Remember what I have said in class, you have to look first for a variable by itself. And I have it here, the y is by itself, right? So this is the one that I'm going to use to substitute in the second line, right here. So whatever the y is in the second line, I will put the y which is from the first line, because it's 2x minus 10. So you start by doing that, you substitute y equals 2x minus 10 in number 2. So you have to be very organized. So you write down number 2. Number 2 is number 2 is 2y. Sorry. Number 2 is 2y equals x minus 8. And then you replace now the y by 2x minus 10. Close the parentheses. Keep in mind that that 2 is multiplying 2 factors or 2 terms. That's why we use the distributive property. This is equal x minus 8. Now you apply the distributive property here, which is 2 times 2 is 4x, and 2 times negative 10, which is negative, so it will be, negative 20, equals x minus 8. From here, after the substitution is made and after the distributive property is made, what you have here is an equation. It's an equation with variables on each side. I have variables on the right, variable x on the left. So we cancel the one with the lowest coefficient. For x minus x is 3x minus 20. The x's cancel out here, so you have negative a on the right side. Now you cancel the 20 by adding 20 in both sides of the equation. This 20 is cancelled, and you have 3x equal negative a plus 20 is 12 positive. Divide by 3, and divide by 3 here. Cancel the 3, x is equal 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And this is the x coordinate of the point that is the solution of that system. But because the point is a pair of numbers, x and y, you have to find the y. In order to find the y, what you do here is to go back to line number 2, or line number 1 better, and whatever you see the x in number 1, you can place 4 and solve for y. If you ask me if you can substitute the x4 in number 2, you can do it. But the easiest one to do it is number 1. So if you return to number 1, right here, and you replace the x by its value, which is 4, you get immediately the y values. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 10 is negative 2. And that's the y value. So the solution of this system is 4 for x and negative 2 for y. Hope that you have understood this problem and you can watch the video one more time in order to start mastering uh, the system of equation. Thank you. See you next.